Computer game design is a class where we use games as a way to learn about computer programming and about graphics in a way that's really fun and noisy and interactive. We start out with a simple name project where you learn to animate your name in a way like this. This was done by Adam McDonald a couple of years ago. And we make our way up to more challenging tasks, like this one that was done by Harrison and Aiden. That is a dice game, and basically what you have to do is you roll the die, and if you get a 7 or an 11, you win. So I'm going to roll a couple of times here and try to win. Got an 8. 7.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
All right, so you can win the game and you can play again, see how many times you can win. And this teaches about not only animation, but random numbers. And then we make our way up to more complicated games as the year goes on, like this game, this Flappy Bird game, which is all about physics and learning to get this bird to fly properly, so that, and these side scrollers, to get these clones to come across the screen in a certain way. This game gets a little bit more challenging as it goes up the levels. The scroller gets faster, so you learn how to do that. And if you look closely, you'll notice that the background hills are moving at a different speed than the pipes. So we take all these things into consideration when trying to make a fun game to play. I'm going to crash him now and see what happens. Oh, poor Flappy Bird, he didn't make it. Okay, and next we go to a zombie game towards later in the semester, and this one is a shooter so you have clones coming in at you and you're shooting these clones. You have a variety of weapons at your disposal. I'm happy to be holding the pistol. If I change the weapon here, I can change it to a shotgun. I'm going to try to get a few creatures here so that I can make this shotgun be somewhat effective. Of course, if they close in on me, that's never good. And then, of course, there is the submachine gun, which is a helpful tool when you're in close. It doesn't have much range, but it does do a lot of damage. So I'm going to want to go in pretty close to make this one work. And you get to play with all the different features of making the weapons do what you want them to do. And we also add graphics to this, so kids choose their own graphics and turn this into anything. We've done this to an Earth defense, everything from Earth defense to an underwater scene with all kinds of different octopuses and different things coming to get you. And then in the end, of course, the shooter dies when the health goes down to 0. If these games and learning in this way looks fun to you, come join us in computer game design.